Hi, I'm Tony Graves with Remax Synergy, and welcome to 82 Mammoth Road in Hooksett, New Hampshire. This gorgeous New Englander home features a farmer's porch, brand new architectural shingle roof, huge detached 2-car garage, and a large fenced-in backyard. Just inside your beautiful entryway, you'll notice your first floor full bathroom with laundry, and then your completely updated kitchen with black stainless steel appliances and cherry cabinets, and then a huge deck out back. Your large rear deck is very private and overlooks your huge, completely fenced-in backyard. Just off the kitchen, you're gonna enter the formal dining room, complete with built-ins, restored hardwood flooring, tons of natural light, and an ultra-efficient pellet stove. And then in the living room, you'll start to see restored tin ceilings and a first floor bedroom. Notice the incredible detail of this restored farmhouse. Just look at your hand-carved railing headed upstairs. Let's check out the rest of the home. Hardwood floors welcome you on the second level of the home as well. Check out the size of this master bedroom. In the master bedroom, you're gonna notice a ton of natural light, oversized master closet, and again, hardwood floors. Your second floor full bathroom features new vanity, new light fixtures, tile, a low step access shower, and a jacuzzi tub. The third bedroom also has neutral colors, and again, a huge closet in the corner. Thanks for visiting with us here today at 82 Mammoth Road here in Hooksett, New Hampshire. I'm Tony Graves with Remax Synergy. Be sure to reach out anytime with any of your questions or to book your showing today.